Is your dad a thief? Because you stole a tire from my backyard and put it into your list.
If I ain't gon' front, when I come home, my girl try to give me some bullshit, I'm just gonna be like, wait a minute, fill my cup, put some nigga in it, take a sip, sign the check, Julio, get the stretch, right to Harlem, Hollywood.
Son, come over here. Yeah, Dad? You better get in that kitchen, you better clean up all those dishes. They've been sitting there all day. Yep. Didn't I tell you to grab that washing off the line ages ago? They've been on that line for ages. But Dad, you told me to go do the dishes. I don't care. Just go do it now. That boy, he pisses me off. I tell him to do one thing, he do the other thing. Look at those dishes. Still over there. How many times do I have to tell him?
This arm nearly cost about $2 million to fix in my hand there, breaking off. And now this buttons, I show you that just, oh, sorry, got to change the mode.
Put down, Cux. Huh? Yep. Put down, Cux. Good boy. Put down. Bye. Okay. Am I all alone? Am I all alone?
Anh có cái phát giao.
You follow us.
Iya, follow out. Ở Skylem ya. Aku căng, sao đi? Aku căng, sao đi? Phải sợ lòng mẹ nó cu đi quê, phải au phải mày snap. Let me say. I would cu đi quê phải mày snap.
Nothing there.
So what you? Hello.
Fucking serious guy.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it.
And ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to show you here today is I'm going to put my head inside a crocodile. In order to do this, you got to be calm and collective. And then when you're going to say, "Oi, silly, Apollo, my eyes are going to get up there, eat me, the crocodile."
Makua ki ngā ringo ko au whiako e o furu ipu ai koke re whalong. Ar mera re mau. A whai e koke re roa whangoa ko whai ai. A mai rairu, a mai riu. Is whai mea. Mawar penti kaya re ka kia me kong shau.
Paul, one more time. I'm going to call your name, wink at you, and then you will fall down and pretend something is wrong with you. Paul!
I hold you down, then I lift that ass up off the ground.
Hey, shh! Did you touch the Xbox? No, I didn't touch the Xbox. What? Don't freaking lie. Did you touch the Xbox or not? I won't slap you. I won't slap you. Did you touch it? Yes. So you touched it without asking me? Yeah. Ooh. Shut up, man. Shut up. Don't. Okay. I'll give you lies. Just shut up, man. Shut up. Don't. Mum's gonna hear you. Shut up. Shut up, man. Okay, you can play that Xbox. Okay.
The rubbish is done.